Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shelby with the Viney Grove Goats, and today we're going to do bottle feeding 101. What's most important about bottle feeding is whenever you start, so you have your baby goats or whatever animal it is, you need to make sure that you pick whatever replacer goes with that species. So I am doing the Purina Goat Kid Milk Replacer, and we are bottle feeding goats. I've chosen this brand because it is made for goats' digestive system. I love it. I trust it. There's prebiotics added to support gut function. There's 25% protein and 28% fat. That'll support sufficient kid growth. So I will, at the end of this video, show you 3 does that I have that I've raised on this, and they have looked absolutely beautiful, strong and healthy. And then I'm going to show you how I bottle feed them. So you're starting out bottle feeding and you don't have any goat milk, so we're going to use the replacer. So what I'm going to do is I already have my water filled, and I'm making 3 bottles with this batch just to show y'all. I have 3.5 cups of warm water, and you want your water to be between 110 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm doing 1 scoop, approximately 0.3 pounds. So 1 scoop, and I'm going to put it in here, and we are going to mix this together. You want to be sure that you get all the clumps out and everything that's sticking to the sides. Now let's talk about bottles. My absolute favorite bottle is the Producer's Pride Lamb & Kid one. I really like this bottle because you can wash it in the dishwasher. You just take the lid off, stick it in there, and I throw these in as well. And the goats seem to like this size of the nipple. It's easier for their little mouths since I have Nigerian dwarfs, but the fact that you can dishwasher them is what gets me. I also really like the clear measurements on this side. It goes up to 16 ounces, and some other bottles don't have that. So now I'm feeding 29 baby goats, and they get 4 ounces 4 times a day. So we're here with some new babies that are learning to drink from the bottle, and bottle feeding can be kind of tricky, so I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to do it a little bit easier. The number one thing that's most important is be very patient. Whenever you first try to start bottle feeding them, they might not want to take any and they don't understand it. So just be patient, come back around, they'll be hungry in a few more hours, and try again. So what you want to do is you want to put them in between your legs. You can be in any position. I find this the easiest. And then you're going to take the nipple, make sure you cut it. A lot of people forget that they need to cut the tip. So you pin them like this, and you try to support their face gently, and you might want to open it and then just put it in their mouth. Oops, this one's not happy about it. And then you just hold it, and they will figure it out. You just got to be very patient. And there, it's trying right now. There's a few bubbles, and they will eventually, there it goes. They will eventually figure out that this is something that they like. And just hold it there until it drinks. Do not give up. And you can take a little break and then try it again, and then it might click in on it. So, never been bottle fed. This is their first time. So pin it. I can already tell she's hungry. So open their jaw gently, and this pretty much goes with any animal. She already is doing it perfect. There she goes. Some of them just have a nice drive and are ready to eat. She is just a few days old, and I'm going to show y'all all the other ones I have trained, and so I have them in the bottle holder because they're much bigger and more aggressive, and they take the bottle so easily. Pin back. This one still hasn't quite figured it out. She kind of plays with it, and you gotta kind of support her head. Okay, so the babies that are coming in are a few weeks old, and they're very aggressive for the bottle. So I'll show you how cute it is feeding them.
Here is round 1 of the first 10 of the babies, and then we will do another round of the last 10, so 20 babies total fed in the bottle holder. And I'm letting them drink about half of these bottles, and then the second round we'll get the other half. So here is round 2, and they will finish off the other half of the bottles nice and full and super happy. I found this the easiest, just splitting the bottles for now until they get a little bit bigger and they're drinking 16 ounces on their own. Alright, I wanted to show you some of my grown girls from last spring that were raised on the Purina milk replacer. They're absolutely gorgeous. And they will be ready to breed by next spring, and I'm super excited to see how their babies turn out. But these are my most beautiful girls. Can't forget Poppy either. She's the one that lost her mom, and we had to give her a colostrum replacer and milk replacer. But she is so sweet, and they're all best friends, and they're gonna make the best mamas. If you're ready to give your baby goats a great start, go to PurinaMills.com or visit your local Tractor Supply and get a bag of Purina Goat Kid Milk Replacer. If you have any questions, let me know.